Pancakes the Easy Way. This recipe will make 2 pancakes. If you want to make more, just double the recipe. No bowls needed, just 2 large cups. I begin with the 4 cup so there's room for whisking the dry ingredients. We begin by adding a 1/2 cup of flour. Add 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add a pinch of salt. Whisk all of the dry ingredients. Transfer the dry ingredients from the 4 cup into the 2 cup. Now add a 1/2 cup of milk to the 4 cup. You can use lactose-free milk if you prefer. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. By the way, by adding 2 tablespoons of oil, you can use this recipe for making waffles. Add 1 egg. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. After trying several different recipes of how to make pancakes lighter and fluffier, it seems the addition of white vinegar is the easiest way to do so. Now whisk all of the wet ingredients. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix the ingredients by using a small spoon. Be careful not to overmix your batter. A few lumps and clumps are fine. Set aside the batter for about 5 minutes, in which time it will rise. Set the heat to around medium-low, which on my dial is 3. I use one of these butter balls in the frying pan. Add 1 butter ball or sliver of butter to the frying pan. Make sure to coat the frying pan with butter. Test that the frying pan is ready by adding a drop of water. If it sizzles, then you're ready to add your batter. Once you see bubbles forming on top, then you know you're ready to flip the pancake. Just another minute or 2 on the other side, and then you're ready to serve. And that's the way to make a pancake the easy way. Now you can use the rest of the batter for a second pancake, or put some clear wrap on top of the cup and store it in the refrigerator, and then use it for the next day.